welcome to the channel. I'm another box break guy, coming back with some more Pokemon breaks. We did the Hoopa V Box last time. Again, it's random. I'm buying them from Best Buy. You don't know which one you're gonna get. This time got the Dragonite V, so excited I didn't get a duplicate. And I think this doesn't have as many Fusion Strikes, so again, another plus. The one thing I'm hoping with this box is that it was not tampered with. I mean, you can see it's pretty damaged. I'm glad this wasn't something I was planning on keeping for a sealed collection. So we got a rip here, got a rip over here. Even the corners are all banged up. So again, box is pretty beat up, but we're gonna go ahead and try to open this and see if we can get something. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button right down there if you do want to see videos just like this. All right, here's our Dragonite V promo card. Pretty good shape. Our oversized promo. Code card for y'all. So one Fusion Strikes, that's good. Evolving Skies, Chilling Reign, and Vivid Voltage. So I'm glad the Dragonite box does not have as many Fusion Strike packs. But we'll start with that. Not expecting anything. Can we go 0 for 11? More Pekka. Jinx, reverse holo. And again, not a full art auto. So we are our full art. I keep saying auto like I'm opening sports cards. No full art V or VMAX from Fusion Strike. So now, again, 0 for 11 packs. All right, our Vivid Voltage pack. Flabebe. All right. So 0 for 2 in this box. And if you recall, only got a regular holo, one regular holo in the last box. So hoping for a full art, something in this. Furfro. Oh, we got something. Liepard V. So, not the best of cards to get from the set, but not a bad one either. Actually, this is the Vivid Voltage. I think I thought the second one was Vivid Voltage, and that was the Evolving Skies, so Vivid Voltage was last. Galarian Meowth. And Nada. So again, 2 boxes in, only 1 full art, 1 regular holo, so not the greatest from a pull rate perspective, at least for me. I mean, I only opened 2 boxes, but quick recap. Galarian Mouth, Furfrou, Flabebe, however you say that, and Jinx. And then finally, our full art Liepard V card. All right, so that'll do it for this one. We do have some, I think, single booster packs on the way. They've been delayed from USPS, so once they come in, we open some of them. Got some Pokeball tins coming in as well, so that's more to come there. Again, we're in the middle of a giveaway on Twitter, so don't forget to follow me at FreeDecoy. We're giving away an Eevee tin from that Black Friday special, so that's ongoing right now. So check it out for how you can enter for a chance to win. Hit subscribe notification on this channel, get notified when I'm going to drop videos just like this. But as always, I appreciate you stopping by, checking out the channel. Have a great day.